Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the SafeMoon. The SafeMoon currently price, the price change occur in the SafeMoon, what's going in this time in the SafeMoon. In this video, I will show you, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing Abby's Tech channel. Let's see the latest update of the SafeMoon. As you can see at this time, the currently price of the SafeMoon 0.00009 USD dollar is the currently price of the SafeMoon. And if we look the price change occur in the SafeMoon, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week price change is again positive. And absolutely a good changes occur in the SafeMoon and previous time, but unfortunately the last time changes in the SafeMoon is gone negative, friends. So what should we do at this time? As the best time to buy, sell or hold SafeMoon, let me show you, friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day, I mean 24-hour price change you are watching now on the screen. That is the price chart. And friends, if you look the previous time period, so as you can see here, this time the over and over fast occur in the SafeMoon, but now as you can see here, the last 1 hour price change is again positive. So I think that's a big pump of the SafeMoon or start now after next 2 hours, after the next 3 hours maybe. There is a lot of chances to SafeMoon again take a pump, and SafeMoon will hit approximately a 100% positive change occur in the future 5 hours, friends. At this time, the currently last 20 price change is positive 6.75%, and the highest price of the SafeMoon is 0.000011 USD dollar. That is the highest price of the SafeMoon. So what's your prediction about SafeMoon? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.